Powering your high-end GPU should be simple and safe. That's why PALIT introduces the dual-color 16P PCIe cable. The green section serves as a quick visual indicator. If any green remains visible after plugging it in, the connection isn't fully seated. When properly connected, the green section will no longer be visible. This design helps prevent incomplete connections, ensuring your GPU receives stable power. The cable is included with selected high-end PALIT GPUs, specifically those that require demanding power. It's one of the ways PALIT helps you build and game with confidence, so you can focus on what truly matters.